I'm Michael Newman. I'm the inventor of the Toler UNION with OMNILOCK wrench. Something out of your pocket. It covers 30 wrench sizes. Would you like to try the wrench?
Sure.
Absolutely. You get it on opposing faces and ratchet, and it'll click to the next face.
My directions right here.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
There you
Okay.
go. That's it. You got it. There you go. That's it.
You gotta listen for it and get the feel.
Boy, that's simple.
It's a pretty smart idea.
Thank you very much. That's it.
It's just getting used to it, but that's not a problem at all.
Right.
Oh yeah. There you go. Nice. Now you just turn it over to go the other way?
Turn it over to go the other way.
It's more comfortable than I thought it would be.
You guys can't tell from the video probably, but that bolt, I mean, you can't take that off with your fingers.
Because I want it to be able to do hoses, cables, pipes in line, it has to be able to release. So if you want to release, you just push sideways. There you go. That's it.
Oh,
There you
yeah,
go.
There you
That's
go.
that easy release. Double pocket clips.
Yeah.
So
So
I
you
like
can
to
actually
wear-
have them separate.
Exactly. I wear them in my back pockets. What's very important about these coming apart, right here, on both sides. Drop it on the pins here. Now you can take advantage of the actual torque available in this wrench. Full length self-adjusting ratcheting wrench.
Wow.
It also grabs squares. It also grabs oxygen tank valves. D2 for the metal saw, 440C for the wood. Lock that handle in place, you have a pistol grip saw.
Wow. This thing is cool. A lot of multi-tools, they don't really tell you what steel they use. I think 90% of them will tell you.
And say you've got some interference, but you want to ratchet. You come around and you rock that up
Yep.
and clear the interference. Notice that spring kicks it out, and boom.
That's nice. Yeah, so it's not going to be flipping out while you're working.
Exactly.
That's nice.
You know, in my profession, it's one of these, I don't have time to run out to my truck.
I like the idea a lot just because I like a lot of tools, and I've owned one of the better ones that has most of the tools. But one thing, this one is a little different. I actually can put my hand on it better versus that one, and the other one digs and is not comfortable. This one, I can squeeze with all my might right there, and there's no real pain involved.
I mean, this to me is like the most innovative thing is the ratcheting.
Fairly light
Thank you.
overall as
Yeah.
well.
It's doing everything you said it would do.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, I mean the whole hook them together and double your torque, or probably more than double it.
It's quite a tool.
Thank you very, very much.
A lot of engineering in there.
Yeah, that's very nice.
It's fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.